teaching you how to play what I just played, which is going to be Cripple Creek. On the banjo, we're playing the clawhammer style. This is all going to fit within a standard clawhammer bum ditty pattern of strike, strum, pluck. Well, without any further ado, that's what you're doing with your right hand. I'll teach the left hand and the right hand how it goes with it. Let's get into it. You're going to start with a strike with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, and you're going to slide that up to the 5th fret, and then strum pluck. So, and then you have an open figure, strike the open 1st string, and then you're going to strum just the open 2nd string. Or if you can't quite do that for accuracy, you can strum the 1st and 2nd strings together. But if you can manage that accuracy, go for it. Next figure is going to be, you put on this partial C chord. Your 1st finger is on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. 2nd finger is on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. And you're going to strike the 2nd string, strum pluck, and then open 1st string, strum pluck. So all of that together, nice and slow, will sound like this. And then after that, you're going to get a slide with, again, with your middle finger. It's going to be from the 2nd fret to the 4th fret. So you strike, and that's on the 3rd string. So you strike the 3rd string, slide up to the 4th fret, strum pluck, open 3rd string, strum pluck, and then, sorry, that was wrong. So after that 2 to 4 slide, you strum pluck, and then you strike the open 3rd string, and you're going to strum pluck with your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and you're just going to strum the 3rd and 4th strings. And then you hit the open D string, the open 4th string, and you hit another strum pluck with your middle finger on that 2nd fret, and then the open, you just strike the open 3rd string. So that bit together sounds like. And so that's the whole A part of Cripple Creek. And so I'll put it all together for you nice and slowly. Follow along if you can. Slow the video down if you want to. Rewind it, watch it over again. Here we go. Starting with the slide up to the 5th fret. Again. And now, if you repeat it and go back into the A part, you won't add that last strum pluck. That will just be the slide. So, but if you're going into the B part, you hit that open G and then you strum pluck. So now I'll teach you the B part. It's going to sound like this, put all together. So you're going to start with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and you're going to strike that and slide up to the 4th fret. strum pluck. And then you're going to strike just at the second fret of the third string, still with your middle finger, and then take that finger off and strum pluck. You have the same beginning sequence of the next measure. It's that slide from 2 to 4 on the third string with a strum pluck. And then you're going to hit the open 4th string and then strum pluck. So those two lines together are going to sound like this. And the melody at that point is. So. And then your last two measures of the song, this measure is the same as the first measure of the beat part. You slide from 2 to 4 on the third string, strum pluck, 2, and then open strum pluck. You saw all that before in measure 6. And then your last measure is going to be the same as measure 5, the last measure, the A part. So you hit the open 4th string, strum pluck with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, open 3rd string, strum pluck. So now we'll put the whole B part together, nice and slow. Like I said, feel free to slow the video down, rewind, rewatch, try and play along. And here we go. 2, 3, 4. We're going to play that again. And that's the whole song. I'll go ahead and run through it all the way. A part, B part. I'm going to go twice through the A part, and I think twice through the B part. Just follow along. If you have any trouble with this, you can follow along on the tab. The tabs will be available for purchase from gunnersmusiclessons.com, or if you're already a student of mine, then you will probably get the tab as part of your lesson. But you can go to gunnersmusiclessons.com, the link will be in the description, send me an email, and I'll send you the tab for a fairly reasonable price. And here we go, all the way through A, B, B. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. That is Cripple Creek, played in the Clawhammer style on banjo. This is in open G tuning, I should have mentioned that off the top. And Go find the tabs at my website, have fun practicing, and keep rolling, or picking in this case.